Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by logging into both your domain registrar and Hostinger hPanel. This is where you'll make changes. Once logged in, locate the hosting IP or Hostinger name servers and note the domain's DNS management page. You'll need admin access to update records, so make sure two-step verification or recovery options are set in case you get locked out. Now that prerequisites are ready, proceed to modify DNS records or switch name servers, depending on the method you choose. You now perform the actual DNS changes. If you choose a records, edit the @ and www records to point to the Hostinger server IP. TTL can stay default, but lower it temporarily if you want faster propagation. If you prefer Hostinger name servers, replace all registrar name servers with the Hostinger values and save. Once saved, confirm in Hostinger hPanel by adding the domain to your hosting account, so the control panel recognizes it and issues SSL later. Finish by adding the domain inside Hostinger's hPanel, enabling auto SSL so HTTPS works automatically, and configuring any subdomains or email records like MX if needed. Once done, verify propagation with a DNS lookup tool and open the site in an incognito browser to bypass cache. If the site doesn't resolve after 48 hours, recheck the records or name servers, clear DNS cache on your machine, and contact your registrar or Hostinger support with screenshots of your DNS settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.